Hello. It has come to our attention that a previous version of the new Word template had a little bit of a glitch. So this video is for anyone who downloaded that before we had a chance to fix it. And this is a video on how to fix that glitch yourself. So you'll notice that the glitch is that here you can see that these are not lined up. The entries for the main heading are a little bit in from the margin. And then these subheading levels are double spaced, and they shouldn't be. They should only be single spaced. So the way that you solve this is we're going to come up here. We're going to be clicked into our table, and we're going to come over here to table of contents. And we're going to come down to custom table of contents. It's going to open up this pop-out box. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to click modify. And it's got TOC1 highlighted. So these are going to be the settings for that first table of contents level. That's our main heading level. So we're going to make sure that's selected, and we're going to click modify. It opens up this new box. And what we're going to do is we're going to come to format, and we're going to format tabs, and we're going to clear that tab stop to be cleared. We're going to make sure that it stays right. We're going to add the period leaders. We're going to say okay. Now we're going to go back into format. This time we're going to format paragraph. We're going to come again to tabs, and we're going to select these two things again, and we're going to say okay. We're going to go okay again. And then we're going to hit okay, because I'm going to show you what that does. Everything here stay the same. The tab leaders are still periods there. And we're going to go okay. It's going to ask us if we want to replace this highlighted table of contents, and we're going to say yes. So that fixed the indent being away from the first margin. We still have to fix the spacing on these subheading levels. So we're going to come back into table of contents, and we're going to come back down to custom. And this time we're going to go modify again, but this time we're going to highlight TOC2. That is those first subheading levels. We're going to say modify, and we're going to come to paragraph. So all we have to do here is we just need to click this box that says don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. We do not want that space there. We do not want them double spaced. So we're going to check that box to make sure that it will not add the space. We're going to go okay. We're going to go okay, and okay, and okay. Replace this highlighted table, yes. Okay. So now this is correct. It's got the correct spacing. It's got the correct margin. The only thing we have to go back in and add is we do need to manually add in word chapters, because we're calling our main sections chapters. And that was there before. This is just the manual change that you need to add if you're calling your main sections chapters. Now, having done that, it will have made some changes in our list of figures and our list of tables. So we also need to come back and fix that. You'll notice that now we're missing our period leaders here. So we're going to click into the list of figures. We're going to come back up to table of contents. We're going to do custom table of contents again. You'll notice that this has got a lot of options here that we don't want. So this time we're first going to select options. We're going to this is where we tell our table of contents what levels we want in the table of contents. And we don't want heading 1, and we don't want heading 2. We only want figure captions heading 8. So now that I've removed those things from there, we're going to go okay. And now we're going to modify TOC1. We're going to say modify. And we're going to come to paragraph, tabs, right, period, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Replace this highlighted one, yes, and okay. So this is all correct. The only thing now we have to do is that we don't want our words to go into our number column. So we're going to hold Shift and hit Enter to manually move it down. And there it goes. And now we have to do the same for the list of tables. Options. I'm going to take all of these away. Make sure that our table title is there. Modify. Oops. Tab. Okay, okay, okay. And there we go. But that is how to fix that glitch within the table of contents and the list of figures and the list of tables. Sorry for the inconvenience. The new version doesn't have this issue, but I just wanted to make a video for those of you who downloaded it in like the week that it was up. Have a great day.